Hey guys, so I wanted to do a quick um, tutorial on what I did to get the template for the composition notebook. These notebooks that I use are from Dollar Tree. They are not created equal. So what I did was I made the template larger than the measurements that I got from the book. So what I did was I used the body measuring tape. I went from the black binding area across. That measurement gave me about 7 inches. So I wrote that down. I went from the top down, and it's about a 9 1/4. Exactly what it says here on the book. 9 1/4 by 7 1/2. Okay. These are the things that I use. So again, the body measuring tape. I use a squeegee when I put the label on to help me go across so I don't have air bubbles. I use an X-Acto knife because my printout is larger and I use that to cut off the excess. And what I did today is I used this gloss Mod Podge to seal it so there's no scratches. So I'm going to show you what I did for the previous one and how it looks. So this is my Spider-Man one. If you can see, you could probably see the brush strokes because it's up close. But far away, you can't even tell. It's still vibrant. You can go across it and it doesn't scratch or damage the book whatsoever. Okay? So when I come back, we're going to sit down, go into Canva, and create the template.